I recently received the BN Link mini water heater tank as a housewarming gift for someone else, and even though the installation wasn't mine, I was still very impressed. And the BN Link heater is made with durable materials, typically with an insulated tank to minimize heat loss. This helps to keep the water warm longer even if the unit isn't actively heating. And this 2.7-gallon mini water heater is equipped with a high-density, flame-retardant foam insulation layer which provides excellent thermal insulation and saves energy. The small capacity tank minimizes energy waste caused by excessive water storage and repeated heating. And the water heater itself comes with every piece included, making it super easy to understand and super easy for installation. It comes with the proper valves and the extension cord you need to make it operable, making it super easy to install independently without help or use of a plumber. And I really appreciated the fact that the instructions were super easy to understand, because as a person who's not a handyman, the instructions made it super simple and super easy for installation, making it great for anybody to use. And the instructions itself detail each and every part of the water heater that you need to know, and with step-by-step instructions on how to handle, install, and turn on the water heater. And this under-the-sink instant water heater is designed with a rotary knob, allowing you to adjust the temperature from low to high as needed. It also comes equipped with both the hot and cold valves, ready for quick and easy access. The mini water heater is compact and can be mounted on a wall or placed on the floor, making it ideal for small living spaces like apartments or studios. The water heater itself is compact, so it fits easily into tight spaces, which is perfect if you have a limited room. And despite its small size, it heats water quickly and efficiently. And the water heater comes with a 3.28-foot extension cord, which can easily be powered by plugging it into a standard 120-volt outlet. This electric water heater provides rapid heating in a short amount of time. It has a recovery rate of 6.8 gallons per hour at a 90-degree Fahrenheit rise, ensuring your hot water needs are met quickly without long waiting times. And although this tank is going to be a housewarming gift, the installation process itself is pretty simple. You would just have to connect both the hot and cold water outlet pipes into the valves and plug in as so. And the process itself seems pretty simple for any one person to understand and to be able to get done independently. And the space-saving design of the tank itself also makes for a super simple installation in any home. It comes with an adjustable thermostat that allows you to set the temperature from anywhere to 50 Fahrenheit to 150 Fahrenheit. This flexibility is great because you can tailor it to your exact needs, whether you want it hotter for a shower or just warm for washing hands or dishes. And once again, I have to say, I liked how the instructions were very straightforward and didn't beat around the bush. It told you the exact amount of information that you needed to know to make it a simple enough process. Overall, it's efficient, easy to install, and works well for lower volume use. It's definitely a solid choice if you're looking for something compact and reliable. And the heater itself is super safe, durable, and portable, so I would highly recommend to any new homeowner seeking it out.